Recently no koretwo na something about AIPCA Church, kanitha wa ED. This is quite an unpopular story. In 2023 hena interview Dora Waru giekire akiheana history ya kanitha wa AIPCA na gitumi ya kanitha wa AIPCA ukorwo uking'ang'anirwo ni atongoria muno muno mundu urenda gutuika president, na akiuga haria kanitha wa AIPCA niguo waitiriirie Kenyatta maguta agituika mutongoria. Maguta o macio ma AIPCA nomo Uhuru aitiriirie agituika president, na maguta ma AIPCA ni makoretwo me very significant na atongoria a Kenya. That is what Dora Waru was saying.
Mundu wa kurugamia kara gake orote kanitha wa ED muhemieri gutire muthamaki Kenya ungiathana ategwatanite na kigongona kia ED. Ruto concentration yake yothe aramekire ED. Na riria Uhuru amenyire Ruto ni apenya ED, riria mathire gwaka kanitha wa haria kabatika ne Keno mahurire na tia gas tondu mageragia kurenga Ruto ndakahiukio ni independent. No Ruto ni mukora ni ahotete gupenya na akamanyita. Uhuru nigetha atuike president athire haha Bahati, haha niho amurirwo ni andu a ED. Mwanyita amurirwo handu hariku haha Bahati kanitha wa AIPCA niho mamwamurire, niho mamuitiriirie maguta nigetha baba wao nigetha atuike president aitiriirio maguta ma ng'ondu o ta maria Uhuru aitiriirio maguta make ma ng'ondu, na thutha maitiriirie maguta macio mari muoyo ni ndimoi eri. Nwanyita aitiriirio maguta ma ng'ondu na keneo muthegi acio niguo kuma hau niguo anjire gwathana bururi. Kigongona kia ED atuikire uthio giaturanie no gukua athuri acio he magongona meguthi gukurutira na kuthini tiga maya hano mauge haicuru na mathie no horo cio thire ni kigongona kinyitete bururi.
And at some point I didn't get him. Dora Waru giakoretwo mugi leader na I bet he has a lot of information about maundu maria makoretwo happen. So whenever I hear Dora Waru giakiaria, I take it serious until I confirm. I take it 100% serious. Na kiugo guo ni araugaga ati William Ruto is not going to let anyone in Mount Kenya control AIPCA Church. Na what happened later, ndarikia ukorwo ngiona atungatiri a AIPCA, more than 600 of them metetwo kuria thingiraini wa iregi, and I was like, yo, there might be some truth in this. Todo we have not seen atungatiri a kanitha emwe metetwo State House, like atungatiri a ACK moke State House othe, atungatiri a AIC moke State House mari othe. I have not seen that before. No, recently ntoronire AIPCA metetwo, na word has it that nimarakorwo makiheo threats nyingi muno na kuentaizwo, na threats shirarishi ati some people should not be talking in their altar.
Hawa wakubwa wetu wa wa Independent Church waliitwa State House 2 weeks ago, na rais akawatisha sana, akawauzia uoga ya kwamba wasikuwe wakikaribisha mimi makanisani. Hao maarchbishop wetu watatu walikuwa wanatetemeka hapo. Rais amekuwa dictator mpaka kanisani. He wants to dictate who should not go to which church. Pahali nilienda kanisa inaitwa Kihuyo huko Rwathia, yule akidiko na nikaribisha anapigwa transfer. Pahali nilienda kanisa huko Kagwe Lari, yule pastor bishop alinikaribisha anatatizwa. Sasa president amekuwa so desperate, anataka kuamrisha kanisa ni gani itatukaribisha, ni gani haitakaribisha sisi. Is the highest form of dictatorship ever seen in this country. Even President Moi, because mimi nifanya kazi kwa serikali yake, mambo ya kanisa alikuwa ingili. President Moi, he was quite dictatorial, lakini mambo ya kanisa aliheshimu kanisa la Kristo. So mimi nataka kuambia akidikons wetu, I hope they will not transfer you. Tunakuombea Mungu lakini hata ukiwa transferred utakuwa tu hapa Kenya, si ndio? So there is no problem, but it's very 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 unfortunate what is happening.
Now this is according to Rigathi Gachagua au makanitha wa AIPCA in Meru County, na niguo akorirwo akihithuria maundu maya mothe. Na nikisikizia hiyo interview ndio ndaririkana interview no ya Ndura wa Ruigi, and I decided I have to come nigetha tukorwo tukiarĩrĩria ũhoro ũyũ. You guys give me your side of the story about this church. Kuratuika ati William Ruto aheanite orders kuri atungatĩri a AIPCA ati gutiri ati kwina wanasiasa mabati kwaria kigongona-inĩ kiu na kwina amwe matabati gukorwo makiaria mathimarie kanitha-inĩ icio ingĩ, according to Rigathi Gachagua. Now, was Ndura wa Ruigi right? Was Ndura wa Ruigi right? Why is Rigathi Gachagua also so insisting about AIPCA church? Niki gitumi nginya akorwo mention nginya kanitha fulani athiĩte ya ED na ĩngĩ athiĩte ya ED? Now, why those people were transferred after Rigathi Gachagua went there? Why is Rigathi Gachagua and William Ruto so concerned about AIPCA church? Bara ĩrĩa yarĩho gatagatĩ ka William Ruto na Uhuru Kenyatta ĩgiĩ kanitha wa AIPCA, why was it there? What is it between the national leadership and AIPCA church? They say everything is spiritual. Na niĩ ndingĩfinga ingĩigua ũguo, ingĩigua there is something connected with that. But what really is it? You can comment down there and tell us what you honestly think about this story.
Tunapaswa kuashia mambo ya siasa hapo, tuende tukafanyie nchi yetu kazi. Sasa wote tunaona upande wa serikali, upande wa ufisani, wote wako kwa siasa, na ni siasa basi sinaweza hata kugawanya wananchi kwa misingi mbalimbali. Tungeomba waangalie maslahi ya maendeleo nchi yetu kuliko kuendelea na siasa miaka yote tangu wakati ule tulimaliza siasa ya 2023.